Law enforcement struggled to keep up with violators during seatbelt emphasis patrols Wednesday in Moses Lake. During a 4-hour period, 101 vehicles were stopped on West Broadway Avenue with 56 tickets handed out for people not wearing a seatbelt, 10 for child car seat violations, and another 14 for using a cell phone and texting. Sergeant Josh Sainsbury, dressed in plain clothes, stood at the intersection of Broadway and South Alder Street, relaying violators to law enforcement from the Grant County Sheriff's Office, Moses Lake Police Department, and Washington State Patrol, positioned a few blocks away. In total, 95 citations were written and 20 warnings given for various violations. The extra patrols are funded by the Washington Traffic Safety Commission in conjunction with the statewide high-visibility seatbelt emphasis patrols. Washington has adopted Target Zero with a goal to reduce traffic fatalities and serious injuries on state roadways to zero by the year 2030. This is Joe Utter for iFiber One News.